Ashita, look at me. Okay, look. No one is listening to teacher, huh? Or else we won't have a chance to eat this. It's yummy because we will stuff something inside. Mozzarella cheese. Ah, cheese! Yeah, we will dell it, we will smash it, we will put stuff inside like that. Mozzarella cheese and ham. Okay.